Hey guys, Mark McMahon Real Estate. Today we're going to talk about how to raise private money without any experience. Guys, it's a scary thing to ask for. I understand that, but that is exactly what launched my investing career. I want to show you guys that it's possible to do it. If that's interesting, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, sign up for notifications to make Allie's weekend, and let's get rolling. So when Yuko and I started investing 12 years ago, obviously we had no money. And if you've watched some of my previous videos, you know that our first flip was a mobile home, in which case we used half private money, half credit card. And the private money was actually my mom. Thanks, Mom. I love you so much. You did so much for us. I really appreciate it. Private money sources can be many different kinds of people from many different walks of life. When you think about private money, leave a message down below. Tell me exactly what you thought about private money and who you thought private money was available from before you listen to this video. Because a lot of people think it's some guy in a suit that sits in an office. Guys, it's your neighbor, it's your doctor, it's your butcher, it is your babysitter. It's whatever person has money in the bank that they're not happy with the return that they're getting. Most of these people have money in a savings account. They may have a retirement account. It's not doing well. These are the kind of people you want to talk to. You don't have to have experience to do this. It helps, but the first time I did it, like I said, I borrowed it from a family member. No experience with flipping, no experience in real estate whatsoever. And I was able to borrow enough money to flip this mobile home. The next couple of times, we had actually talked to some people. We used social media to talk about what we were doing. And lo and behold, people were actually interested when we said, hey, we've got a deal, we need to fund it, which you shouldn't really do on social media anymore. We didn't know back then, but there's other ways to say it. But we let people know that we were investing, and people actually called and said, hey, look, I'd like to be involved. We sat down, had a cup of coffee, and struck a deal. That is as difficult as it was at the time. Now, you can do the same thing today. I just don't suggest you advertise on social media that you're looking for private money. I see it all the time. It is not good to do that. The Securities and Exchange Commission doesn't like that. So if you're going to be looking for private money, the best way to do it is through a conversation. Now, you can let people know through social media what you're doing, but I don't want you to find money through social media. I mean, you can have people approach you, that's fine, but just talk about what you're doing. Talk about the investment club you're going to. Talk about the projects that you're involved in. Even if you're not involved in them, find someone that's doing a project and become involved. Guys, you're going to have to do some outside the box thinking for this. You can't just go to somebody and say, I need to borrow $500,000 to buy that house over there so I can flip it, and I've never done it before. That's not going to fly. All right? However, it may fly with somebody that you know. Maybe somebody that you know has been watching your journey and they are interested in investing. You don't know. You really don't know. And you don't know who has money. You would be really surprised as to who has a couple $100,000 sitting in the bank, not doing anything. Those are the people you have to find. And over the years, we've become very, very good at finding those people. How do we do it? Again, social media. People actually come to us and say, hey, look, I like what you're doing. I see what you're doing. I would like to be a part of it. You can talk to your family members. This is exactly how I bring it up to people that I know or are family members. Hey, cousin Jimbo, how's it going? Well, it's going pretty good, Mark. How are you doing? Not bad, Jimbo. Just got back from the job site. We put the roof on today, and actually it's Friday, so one of my investors came by to pick up his check, and he was thrilled. We actually went out to lunch after that, and that was great, man. That was just good. How was your day? Jimbo's going, I know Mark's flipping. He's got an investor. He's getting a check. Tell me more, Mark. Right? So what about if you want to buy and hold a house? Maybe you're going to use private money to get that house under contract. Maybe you're going to use that private money to get it fixed up, and then you're going to burr it. You're going to get it refinanced after that. Here's how that conversation would go. Oh my gosh, I just got back from looking at this great rental property, and I can't believe how good of a deal I'm going to get on this one. It's so great. I actually met one of my investors there. He's super excited about it, so we're going to work on this one together, and he's going to get a great rate of return, and I'm going to get my rental property. So anyway, how about those Bears, man? That game last weekend was amazing, wasn't it? Guys, that's it. Oh, you buy rental properties? I don't want to talk about the Bears. But anyway, it's as simple as that. And if they're interested, they'll go, oh, wait, you're buying rental properties? Like, oh, yeah, this is my third one, or this is my first one, or this is my second one, or whatever. Who doesn't matter. And then you can talk about why you're a good fit for them too. It's like, yeah, man, I've been studying this for so long, and I've actually gone out and made offers, and it's getting exciting. Guys, the first person probably isn't going to grab. They might, you don't know. But this is a numbers game. You're going to tell the story to a lot of people. All right? And remember, I'm going to say it for the third time now, my mom was my first investor. It was the only project she ever invested in, because that's about all she had. But she was my first investor. She launched Mark McMahon Real Estate, basically. Private money is this big, scary, taboo thing. It's not. It's really not. It's regular people dealing with regular people. It's you and other people coming together, making money, and enjoying the fruits of your labor. And for the people that are investing, it's the fruits of their money, labor, which they got through labor, more than likely. Guys, private money is not as mysterious as you think. Please don't look at it as this big, bad, scary thing. If it wasn't for private money, Yuko and I would have never gotten started in investing. And we did it through social media. We did it through talking to our friends. That's how we did it. We did it what we call organically. That's it, guys. It's not complicated. All right? So I hope that gives you the confidence to go out and at least start talking to people about what you're doing. If you don't talk to people about what you're doing, they're not going to know. If you go to them and say, hey, look, I'd like to borrow money to buy a house, but they have no backstory, they don't know what you're doing, they're going to tell you to screw off. Don't do that. Set the stage, guys. Set the stage for what you want to accomplish. I hope you take my advice to heart. This is the one thing, as I said, that catapulted us from nothing to where we're at today. And it can do the same thing for you if you do it right. All right, guys, that's it. Please hit the like button. Just smash it. Just hit it twice. Do it for me. Do it for Al. And subscribe to our channel. And also sign up for notifications. Allie is going to have a good weekend, regardless of whether you do it, but she'll have a better weekend if you do it. All right, guys? Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Hey, guys, check out these 2 videos. They're really going to help you on your investment journey. I'm also on Instagram. Tons of great video content there. Really good stuff. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.